Hey everyone, welcome back to Pop Off English, the fun podcast to help you learn real English for real life. If you want more easy English conversations, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend who is learning English too. It really helps our channel grow.
Today we have a super useful topic. We're talking about work, daily routines, and office conversations. So if you work in an office, or you want to work in an office, or you just enjoy office drama, this episode is for you.
Our theme today is conversation at work, daily routine vocabulary. We'll follow a normal workday and show you easy, natural English phrases you can use.
And remember, this podcast is for beginners. We speak slowly, we use simple words, and we explain new vocabulary along the way. You can just relax and enjoy the conversation.
All right, let's start our workday. Leo, what time do you usually wake up for work?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m., but I don't magically jump out of bed. First, I look at my phone for 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes?
Okay, maybe 15 minutes. I check my messages, the news, and way too many cat videos. Then I finally get up.
So your daily routine starts with your phone. Let's use some helpful vocabulary. Listen to this. Wake up, get ready for work.
Wake up means your eyes open. Get up means you leave the bed. And get ready for work means you wash, get dressed, and prepare for your day.
For example, you can say, I wake up at 7, but I get up at 7:15. That is very realistic.
Very realistic for me. So after I get up, I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth, I take a shower, and I get dressed. That's part of my morning routine.
Morning routine is a useful phrase. It means all the things you do every morning in the same order, like a little robot schedule.
A very sleepy robot. Then I make breakfast. Sometimes I just have coffee and toast. Sometimes I have eggs.
So some more vocabulary. Make breakfast, have coffee, have breakfast. You can also say, grab a coffee if you are in a hurry.
Yes, grab a coffee means take a coffee quickly. Like, I don't have time for breakfast, I just grab a coffee on my way to work.
Okay, now you're ready. What time do you leave the house?
I usually leave the house at 8 a.m. I go to work by bus. So I catch the bus at 8:10.
Good verbs. Go to work, commute, catch the bus, take the train, drive to work, walk to work.
Commute means travel between your home and your workplace. So you can say, I commute by bus, or my commute is 30 minutes.
My commute is too long is a sentence many people say every day.
When I arrive at the office, I usually get there around 8:45. I go in, say hi to my coworkers, and sit down at my desk.
Coworkers means the people who work with you. At your desk means your work table. So Leo, let's imagine a normal conversation at work in the morning.
Okay, I'll be the guy who arrives at the office, and you can be the friendly coworker.
That sounds like me in real life. Very friendly. And I want gossip.
And coffee.
Always coffee.
All right, here we go. Morning at the office.
Hey Leo, good morning. How are you today?
Hey Mia, good morning. I'm pretty good, thanks. Just a little tired. How about you?
I'm good too. Did you sleep well?
Not really. I went to bed late. I stayed up watching a TV show.
That explains the coffee. What time did you get here?
I just got in. I arrived about 5 minutes ago. What about you?
I got here at 8:30 today. I like to start early before it gets busy.
Yeah, it gets really busy after 9. Do you have a lot of work today?
Yes, I have a busy day. I have a meeting at 10. Then I need to answer emails and finish a report this afternoon.
Sounds like fun.
It's not fun, but it's life.
Nice. So, in this little conversation, we used a lot of daily routine and work vocabulary.
Let's highlight some useful phrases. I just got in means I arrived at work very recently.
I like to start early means you like to begin work early in the morning.
And it gets really busy means there are many things to do. Or many people.
I have a lot of work today. And I have a busy day are very common sentences at work.
Okay, now it's time to talk about what people do when they arrive at work. Their work routine.
When I start work, I usually turn on my computer, check my emails, and make a to-do list.
A to-do list is a list of tasks, things you need to do. For example, answer emails, call a client, write a report.
You can say, I make a to-do list every morning, or I always start my day by checking my emails.
Another good expression is log in. When you enter your username and password on the computer, you log in.
So I log in, open my email, and reply to urgent messages.
Urgent means very important and needs to be done quickly.
Now let's do another little dialogue, this time about planning the day at work.
I'll start as Mia at her desk, and Leo can be the coworker who needs to plan something with me.
That sounds like an email I don't want to answer, but okay.
Hey Leo, do you have a minute?
Sure, what's up?
I just wanted to talk about today's schedule. Are you free this morning?
Let me check my calendar. I have a meeting at 10, but I'm free after 11.
Perfect. Can we have a quick meeting at 11:30?
Yes, that works for me. What do we need to talk about?
I want to go over the new project and plan our tasks for this week.
Great, I'll bring my laptop and my notes. Do you want to meet in the conference room?
Yes, let's meet in the conference room at 11:30.
Sounds good. I'll see you then.
So in this office conversation, we use some important vocabulary.
Schedule means plan for the day or week. For example, today's schedule or this week's schedule.
Calendar is what you check to see your meetings and events. Many people use an online calendar at work.
Do you have a minute? Is a very common, very polite question to start a conversation at work.
Are you free this morning? Means, do you have time this morning?
Can we have a quick meeting is a great phrase when you don't want a long 3-hour meeting that never ends.
So basically every meeting.
Go over means review or look at together. For example, go over the report or go over the plan.
Conference room is the room for meetings at the office.
And that works for me means that is okay for me.
Now let's jump to another important part of the workday, taking a break.
My favorite part. Coffee break or lunch break.
At work, you can say, I'm taking a short break, or I'm going on my lunch break.
Or, do you want to grab a coffee? This means you want to go and get a coffee with me?
Let's have a short dialogue at the office kitchen during a coffee break.
My dream location.
Hey Leo, are you on your break?
Yeah, I'm just taking a quick coffee break. How's your day going?
It's okay, just a bit stressful. I have a lot of emails to answer.
Same here. I spend half my day answering emails.
At least we have coffee.
True. What time is your lunch break?
I usually take lunch around 1 p.m. What about you?
I normally have lunch at 12:30. Do you want to have lunch together today?
Sure, that sounds nice. Let's go to the cafe downstairs.
Great. I'll message you when I'm ready.
So from this break time conversation, here is more vocabulary you can use.
I'm on my break, and I'm taking a break. Both mean you are not working for a short time.
How's your day going is a nice, friendly question to ask coworkers.
Stressful means your day has a lot of pressure, and you feel worried or tired.
At least we have coffee is a funny way to say. life is hard, but coffee helps.
Have lunch together is also common. You can say, do you want to have lunch together? Or let's have lunch sometime.
Now, after lunch, many people get tired at work.
The famous afternoon crash.
Your brain wants a nap, but your boss wants a report.
In the afternoon, you can use phrases like, I need to finish this report. I'm working on a presentation. I have to call a client. I need to send this email.
Working on is very important. It means you are in the process of doing something. For example, I'm working on a new project.
Finish and complete are also good words. I need to finish this task by 5 p.m. or I must complete this report today.
Let's do another short conversation, this time about tasks and deadlines.
I'll be the stressed worker.
And I'll be the helpful coworker.
Hey, Mia, are you busy right now?
Little bit. I'm working on the sales report. What's up?
I just wanted to ask about the deadline for the new project. When do we need to finish it?
The deadline is Friday. We need to complete everything before 5 p.m.
Okay, got it. I'm a bit behind, but I think I can catch up.
If you want, I can help you this afternoon.
That would be amazing, thanks. I just need help with the last section.
No problem. Let's work on it together after 3 p.m.
Thank you, that really helps.
In this conversation, we use some important work words.
Deadline means the final time or day you must finish something.
I'm a bit behind means you are late, or your work is not ready.
Catch up means work fast to reach the correct level or time.
Work on something together is a nice phrase for teamwork.
And that really helps, is a good way to say thank you when someone supports you.
Now, the best part of the day, the end of the workday.
When it's almost 5 p.m., everyone looks at the clock like it's the love of their life.
At the end of the day, you can say, I finish work at 5, I get off work at 6, or I leave the office at 5:30.
Get off work is a useful expression. For example, what time do you get off work?
Let's listen to one last short conversation at the end of the workday.
I'm ready to leave mentally already.
Hey, Leo, what time are you leaving today?
I usually finish at 5, but today I need to stay late.
Oh no, why?
I have to finish this report before tomorrow morning.
That's tough. I'm leaving at 5:30. Do you want me to help you before I go?
Thanks, but it's okay. I think I can manage.
All right, good luck. Don't work too hard.
I'll try. Have a good evening, Mia.
You too. See you tomorrow.
Some more phrases here. Stay late means stay at work after your normal time.
That's tough means that sounds difficult or not nice.
I think I can manage means I can do it, I can handle it.
Have a good evening and see you tomorrow are nice ways to say goodbye to coworkers.
So today we followed a full workday. Morning routine, commute, arriving at the office, planning the day, taking breaks, working on tasks, and leaving work.
And we learned a lot of daily routine vocabulary and office phrases you can really use in your work conversations.
Let's review some of the key vocabulary from this episode. Morning routine, wake up, get ready for work, make breakfast, have coffee, leave the house, commute, catch the bus.
Arrive at the office, coworkers, desk, schedule, calendar, have a meeting, have a quick meeting, go over, conference room.
Take a break, coffee break, lunch break, grab a coffee, have lunch together, stressful, at least we have coffee.
Work on, finish, complete, deadline, be behind, catch up, help someone, work together.
Get off work, stay late, manage, have a good evening, see you tomorrow.
You can listen to this episode many times to really understand these words and phrases, and then use them in your real life.
And if you enjoyed this simple office conversation and daily routine vocabulary, remember to subscribe to Pop Off English, like this video, and share it with a friend who wants to improve their English.
Also, you can check out our full playlist with more easy English conversations for beginners. The link is in the description.
Thank you so much for listening today. You did a great job staying with us from morning coffee until the end of the workday.
Keep practicing a little bit every day. Even 10 minutes can make a big difference.
We'll see you in the next episode of Pop Off English.
Bye for now and have a great day at work.
Bye, everyone.